Hey everyone, today we will be focusing on constructing a hash table using an unordered multi-map and understand the nature behind it for this problem. And without any further hesitation, let's get started. And now for our unordered multi-map problem. So the first thing that we usually do, as usual, we include our libraries that we are going to call. I have a stream. Include. This time we're going to be using an unordered map for the flexibility to be able to create a multi map, and then we'll also include a vector to be able to loop through the rest of our hash function or hash table per se, and then using namespace std int main right here. Now we're going to first redeclare unordered map, but we're going to call it multi-map. I'm going to have a string int umap. So we're using this multi-map from the there we go. We're using this multi-map from this library that we've already set up in place, and going to first do our function is that we're going to insert, retrieve, remove, and then I'll display. So insert, the way we do this is going to be umap.insert, and for make compare, there we go, 1 and 1, and this is used for multi maps, so 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. Except for this time, we're going to be doing this. We will be, let's just take this 4, and this time let's call this 2, and this time we use 22. So this is where multi-maps go in. Now the next part we're going to be doing is that we will retrieve. The way we're going to be doing so is that we will retrieve the values by key. And this time we're going to be using a for auto loop. So to do so, we go auto range equals umap equal range by 2. And then we're going to output values for 2. And then for auto it is equal to range dot first. It doesn't equal the range dot second. We're going to upload. We're going to go through. So it does operate the same context for whenever we have a vector. In this case, it's just that we are getting the specific values that we need for our multi-map that we have for our hash table in general. Second here, or hash map. And then we'll finally have cat end. Then the next part we're going to be removing, and we do so by umap.erase. And we can just call 2, so we'll erase one of the key value pairs. And then we will display by using our vector pair string int, and then vec umap dot begin, umap dot end, and then display. We're going to use this for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than vec dot size. And then we increment with I, and then we're going to output the rest of our vector. So vector I dot first, vec dot vec I dot second, and L. There we go. And finally, since we have an integer for main, we will return 0. So let's build this to make sure this is all good. Well, it looks good right here. And now let's return. Yay, we did that. And it looks like whenever we erase 2, it actually gets rid of these 2 elements that we already have for integers. So they're all grouped together, and that's just the context for the multi-map. So feel free to take a screenshot for this exercise we have. And now let's move over to our sets. So the warning is really because this we need to make this an unsigned integer, so I'm going to call the size t in this case, so that way there's no constraint. There we go. And should work. There we go. Yep, it does the same thing, and we got rid of the whole warning, so yes. This is our unordered multi-set solution, highlighting the whole functions, and you folks can take a screenshot to be able to go further in depth and understand more at the same time. Let me just zoom in slightly. There we go. And so, yes, this was the unordered multi-set. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this today. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions as well, feel free to put it in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.